Hey there, my name's Shay. I have a 2016 Jeep Renegade. It's a manual, and I am going to be replacing the stick shift knob today. So I wanted to show you the parts that we're going to need. First of all, this is the shift knob that we're replacing it with. It is a Momo Nero is the part that we're using. And it is specifically designed to go on shift knobs that have a pull-up reverse. We're also going to need very thin, this is a 1/16 flat edge screwdriver to pop the cap off the existing shift knob. And then we're going to need, let's see, where did it go? Right here. I have an extender, socket extender with a 10mm and my wrench. So yeah, that's pretty much it. The shift knob does come with two little adapters and a screw, so that's how it's going to attach. And we're going to see if we can get the old one off and the new one on. Cool. Okay, so I don't know if you can see here, this is the current shift knob. It's getting a little beat up, especially over here. You can see some of the sides are worn off. It's got a couple spots back here too, so this is what we're going to be replacing today. Okay. Alright, so now this is where we start with the flathead. Let's see here. There we go. Well, kind of destroying this guy, but hopefully that's okay, because we don't need it anymore. That pops right off. Now this right here is the bolt that we have to take out with our 10mm. This guy comes right off. Sweet. Now we have the new head with an adapter that comes with it. This drops right inside there. Just like that. And comes with these little closing screws, so we'll take one. Not sure if we need the longer one or the shorter one. We're going to start with the shorter one. Also comes with its own little Allen wrench. Hopefully you can see that, sorry. So, the instructions say to thread that in there until it touches the adapter. So that's what we're going to do to start. Alright, I can feel it touching now. So now we place it on top, pushing it all the way in, and finish tightening the adapter. We made sure to leave on the previous spring that was already on there. Okay. Look at that. New shift knob on there nice and tight. Still have the reverse. Can feel it drop in. Should be good to go. So that's all you need. About 2 tools and 10 minutes. Thanks for joining. Hopefully you guys find this helpful. And I'm pretty happy. Let me see here if we can see this. Pretty happy with the way it looks. Feels really nice. The leather's a nice upgrade, I think. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed that. And good luck with your upgrade if you decide to do the same.